is a workout. Alright, it's getting weird. We now return with the conclusion of changing your wheels with Channing or Cookie. Because Channing didn't look up how to change your wheels before she started and thought she could just figure this out. And it turned into a whole thing. You can watch that here. I don't know where it's gonna go. In the description. For this continuation of how to change your skates. Really? My light died, but the show must go on. Changing the wheels has transformed into just cleaning and understanding my bearings. Yes, I went down the YouTube wormhole to find how to clean my bearings, why my bearings don't look like anybody else's bearings. None of these videos are helping me. Your instructions aren't the same as how my wheels and skates are looking. And then I realized all of those videos for how to change your skates and how to clean your bearings were for Moxie roller skates. And I don't have Moxie roller skates because I can't afford them. So I'm just a beginner skater, so I wasn't trying to spend $300. I'm not about to go into this skating thing professionally, I don't think. So that's why I went with Impala. They seemed like a pretty good brand for a beginner skater who doesn't know anything. I'll do a review in a separate video. So last night I sat down with these, cleaned all of these disgusting little bearings off. So, using the same wheels that were already on my skates, I just decided to bathe them. See how long this light lasts. That way I can skate with them indoors and not bring all the gunk of the outside world into the house. And I bathed them just like how I'm bathing the nuts and bolts right now, in a container with some warm water, some Dawn. You know, Dawn be saving the animals. I figured it could save my wheels and the nuts from oil too. I want to actually show you these bearings, and then we're just gonna put these skates back on the best way I know how. Okay, so as you can see with the Impala bearing, usually all the videos that I saw, there was a cap, and you would pop this cap off, you would see the ball bearings actually in the wheel, in the bearing. And then you could put the lube in there, you clean it out that way. This is welded, okay? This is how it is. There is no cap to take off. I tried for longer than I would like to admit. So I cleaned it in my Bones cleaning container. You see that you have these little dividers here. Come on, man, be cool. Yeah, cooler than that. Do a fast spin. Oh, come on. Forget it. So you see that these little dividers, you would put each bearing in between, so 8 fit on this. In between here, you put a solution of acetone or like the highest percentage of alcohol, like almost to 100%. So I ran out of acetone, but I used alcohol, like 97% proof alcohol, and filled it to about right here, about where this line is actually. Put my 8 ball bearings in there, screwed it on properly. I'll show y'all later. Put it in there, screwed it on, shook it up, did all the things, okay? Maybe I'll make an in-depth, actually helpful video for how to change your wheels and clean your bearings, specifically for Impala roller skates, since I don't see a video for that, in case you have this and you were wondering. They were so dirty. I haven't cleaned them since I got them, which was like last year. Supposed to clean these things every like 6 months, especially if you're skating outdoors, which is all I did. And I let them air dry. And I went through each of them. And of course you want to check the spin. So some of these were spinning great, like pretty smooth. Some of them I could still feel. This one. See? But I just keep spinning all the ones that were having trouble rolling until it loosened up and the debris kind of like got out of there. And I'm going to add some lubricant to it. I was going to use this Bone Speed Cream lubricant. Since like they didn't open like how I saw all the Moxie bearings open with a little cap, you see the little ball bearings and you lubricate them so they spin properly. I can't get to those. So I am probably opting to use WD-40. Make sure you stick the stick directly facing your face. No, don't do that. Now I know they said like you don't need a lot, especially when using the Bone Speed Cream. You only need like a drop of lubricant, but I'm gonna do more. And now I'm gonna let them sit here and dry. I'm gonna move on to pulling these out and cleaning them off. I cleaned off my nuts, my washers, and they are looking better. Another difference I found with like Impala roller skates and like all the Moxie ones that are online is that when y'all saw me struggling to take some of these bearings out of the wheels, and there was like a little piece just rolling around and back there is the separator that goes between the bearings, but there was only 4 of them, as you can see. So like there was 2 in each skate, but I don't know if it was like a back wheel thing or a front wheel thing because I wasn't paying attention. Like I don't remember which wheels the separators were in. I'm gonna go for the hind wheel, so I'm gonna put 2 and 2 in each skate in the back wheel because I don't know. And if my skates feel janky, I'm learning. Okay, let's put my wheels back on. Yeah. Handy dandy Y3 tool, a wheel. Probably should use my bearing tool. I'm thinking the same way. Oh, perfect. Easy peasy getting these things back on there. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. My 1/2 inch. I'm gonna screw it all the way down until it's tight, but then see if it's too tight it doesn't roll, so I know I need to like go back maybe a 1/4 turn. There it is. Have your good roll, but it's not clanking, so it's firm pressed against the trunk just fine. Wow, I should have cleaned my bearings a long time ago.
I was wondering why my wheels were so stiff. All right, let me do the rest of these.
I'm not bored in quarantine. I'm not. Alright, y'all, so I hope you enjoyed this how-to tutorial vlog. I hope you enjoyed watching me learn how to properly take care of my skates. I actually really enjoyed it. Once I got the hang of it, understood that, hey, my wheels are different. Just slightly than the Moxie wheels, but ultimately it's the same process. It was very therapeutic to sit here, clean my bearings, and change my wheels. I will do a review on Impala roller skates, even though I am by no means an expert in the matter. Clearly, as you just witnessed. Because this is like my very first pair of skates I've ever owned. If you got anything out of this video, you know, like, and also please subscribe to my page to follow me on this new skating journey. I should like do yoga in skates. Like, I should do a yoga flow. Ugh, with these heavy skates on. Another to be continued. Alright, humans, I'm not gonna take up any more of your time. Like, comment, subscribe, do all the things. Bye!